I don't see a passenger being listed in your vehicle.
It's not that easy to just tell the police officer to change his report, even if he's wrong. In my 14 years of doing this, sometimes it's hard to get them to do that. Is it possible to ask your insured, hey, was there 2 people in the vehicle that you hit?
I'm trying to get a hold of my insured and ask that question.
And I see I know there's a 3rd vehicle in this too. Maybe they would be able to be a witness and all of that.
Well, I'm going to continue to reach out to my driver, but if you can do what you can, it's just to say, are we going to pay a BI if we don't have any proof? I don't know. I don't make that final call. I can say we have not covered BIs before because we don't have proof that they're in the vehicle.
Not the first time this has happened where we're working a case, we get the accident report, and the passenger that was in our client's vehicle who was also injured and is also pursuing a bodily injury claim is not on the accident report. You would be amazed of how many times this has happened, and it's inconvenient. It's a hassle. I have to call the police officer now and say, would you mind changing your police report? And I'm probably not going to get a hold of him right away. I'm going to have to leave a message. He's on vacation or he's too busy, and I don't know where my notes are from that day. All I can remember is what's on the report. Maybe you can go and get my body worn camera that will take 6 to 12 months to process, so that you could look at that and see if there was a passenger in the accident. Hopefully it doesn't come to that. But this is where these things lead. If you can't get the officer to change the report, then you have to find other evidence. So there's a 3rd vehicle in this accident. Do they remember that our client's vehicle had a passenger? The person who caused this accident, will they just be honest and say, yes, they had an extra person in the accident? Does that person have a picture of themselves at the scene of the accident that we could timestamp back to around when the accident occurred? This is once again the investigative side of car accident cases. I'm now going to have to call the police officer to see if he will amend the report. We may have to get the body worn camera to prove that she was there. We may need to get some type of witness or evidence that shows that they were there. And if we strike out on all angles, we now have a bodily injury claim for someone where we don't have evidence that they were in the actual accident. And this is, either we have a liar on our hands, which I hope that that's not the case, or the police, once again, doing shoddy police work by not putting all the information on the report. A lot of times there's multiple officers at the scene. So the officer's like, I'll do this person and you go and do that person. And then there's the wires cross and it never connects, and they never put the person on the police report. This happens a lot with minors. Like there'll be a couple kids in the back seat and they don't put the kids on the accident report. If you'd like a free case evaluation, reach out anytime, 832-925-2030. God bless you and have a good day.